Hey, good morning, guys. Guess what? Everything in this bucket, everything I got for free. How did I do that? All these kits were free. So I told you guys a few weeks ago that Annie's, and you can always tell Annie's, they come in these pretty blue bags. The Annie's was having a special on their kits. They have a whole bunch of subscription kits, and they were running a special well for a couple of weeks anyway. And they always have a special, 20% off, 50% off. Anytime you want to buy a kit from them, you can always find a coupon code to get it for half off. And so they were doing 100% off. So free kit. So you could go in and pick any kit in their list and get it for free. Get your first one for free. Now, because it is a subscription, if you get the kit and you don't care for it, you've got to go in there and stop it. They're pretty good about that. But see, I just pulled Annie's up and it's 50% off any kit. I want to be able to show you what the full price for these kits would be. I do get a couple of Annie's kits, and I've showed you their things before that I do get. Okay, so I've got the list up here. So when we get to the one, so I do this one, the striped Afghan, and I've showed you guys that one before. And I'm also doing the striped knit Afghan. So those are the two kits that I already get from them. Now I have to show you this. I have to show you this other thing that annoyed me. But then, after Annie's was doing the free kits, Mary Maxim did the same thing on their website. The Mary Maxim kits. Well, I already get the Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month, and I already get the Mary Maxim Crochet of the Quarter. So, what we did, because I didn't know if they would include their big kits, but they did. So this free kit to try out their subscription included their blanket kits. So I signed up for every kit that I don't already get, and then I had Mr. sign up, and because I wanted to see if we would get different ones, or if it's just 1 month that they're doing. So let's see what we have. Oh, I recognize this too. This is an Annie's one also. Okay. So let's see what we got. Now, when I say free, I paid shipping. And I want to say shipping was in the neighborhood of $5 for each one of these kits. Shipping and tax. Okay. So this first one was $5.95. And it's called the Aria. Okay, so this is their beading kit. Their jewelry making kit. Aria. Got all the little doodads in here. I actually enjoy jewelry making, and this is one of the kits that I have been wanting to check out. So I'm really glad that they gave me the opportunity to do this. And I'll tell you, this isn't what I was expecting, because I have seen their first in the line of their jewelry kits. Maybe the beading is different from jewelry. No, because it's earrings. There's the earring. And oh, it's a real long. That's pretty. Long with a tassel. There's a tassel on the bottom of it. And here's all the little bits of stuff. Now, when I have seen their first kit before, it came with a pair of the crimping tools. It had some tools and things that you need to do some jewelry making. So that is not included in this. Okay. I like this a lot. Well worth $5. Well worth $5. Let's see what they would have charged. So this was the beading kit. Let's see here. Kits. And this was the Simply Beads. So Simply Beads, and they have some, oh, isn't that pretty? They've got some very, very pretty things in here. And this would be $20 a month plus shipping, so $25 a month. No, not doing that one. Some of these are really pretty. See, this is beautiful. Some of those are really, really pretty. I don't know. So you guys let me know. What do you think? Is that worth $25? I feel like that's a no. But that's also more the design of that kit than the actual product. Does that make any sense? Okay. Ooh. Look at this. Wowza. That is beautiful, you guys. So I'm thinking this is probably the sock kit. Shersey Cat Designs by Kelly Straub. Shersey Cat Designs by Kelly Straub. $5.95 again. Simply Sweet is the cute little socks. I like that. That is exactly up my wheelhouse. Exactly. Okay, so let's see how much the sock kit would be. Love to Knit socks. This is beautiful. What is this made out of? 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 100 grams, 462 yards. So this is a nice good quality sock yarn. Let's see how much they want for this club. $35. That's not horrible. It sounds horrible when you say it out loud, plus shipping. First shipment. And you get one a month, one shipment a month. Okay, $35. High quality sock yarn, you can easily spend $25, $30 for a skein. If it's hand dyed, this looks like good high quality yarn. It really does. I'll be interested to check on this website and see how much it runs. Her name is Kelly Straub. www. Oh, here we go. ShersteryCats.com. We'll have to peep on there and see how. If nothing else, I'm loving this yarn. It's a pretty basic sock, and so this is going to be $40. I don't know. I love it. Love it. I think the value is there on that one. I do. I think the value is there on that one. This is thicker. Let's see what this is. I have a little pull. I thought I saw a little pulley thing. I do, but I can't find the end of it. So we're just going to cut it. We're just going to cut it. And this is, oh, I was actually pretty excited about this one too. This is the I Love to Knit, right? Love to Knit Club. And in this one, it's just like their the crochet of the month. This is the knit of the month. This one is a sampler little bag. I'm really excited about this one, actually. Let's see, get my kit. And you get something different every month, small-ish project every month, and you get the instructions. Now, you also, the other thing that you do get with Annie's, every time you get a kit, you get a link to their tutorials. And so there's a video tutorial to teach you some of these things. So again, $5.95 for the first free one. And the monthly on this one is $20, so $25 with shipping. That's not horrible. Oh, not horrible. So it's their own brand of yarn. The Annie's Kit Club yarn. Pretty colors. I'm just from looking at this, I'm thinking this is a cotton. Do not iron, do not bleach, machine wash, tumble dry. 100% cotton. 3-weight. So it's a DK 100% cotton. That's pretty. Those colors are really pretty for this bag. But I'm excited about this too. I'm very excited about that. $25. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, I'm liking that one. So far, the only one I'm really not really thrilled with is the beads, which is sad because that's one of the ones I was most interested in. Now, I got this the other day, and I think this is part of my blanket one that I get already, but I find this is interesting. I have a P.O. box. I have my packages sent to the P.O. box, you know, because we travel a lot, as you know, and plus I was just homesick, and I got this nasty gram from the post office, which annoyed me, right there on the front of my package, and it says, parcels are only held in lockers for 5 days. If you are expecting a parcel, please check your mail more often. The whole point of me having a P.O. box is so it can sit in there until I can get to it. Not happy, peeps. Not happy. I didn't tell you to put it in the little box. Just give me a card and I'll go up front and pick it up, like I do with all of the others. Yes, this is one of my monthly striped Afghan. So we're not even going to talk about this because I already get these and I already pay too much. And we talked about these on... All right, I'll tell you how much I pay for this. With shipping and tax, this is $28 a month, so $30 a month. I know. I know. We've already had this conversation, but I was halfway through before I realized what I had done to myself. And I think this is the last one. There might be one more because there's an edging. So I'm sure they're sending another one for the edging. Okay, let's dig through here and see if we've got anything else from Annie's. I don't see anything else from Annie's. Okay, so that was the 1, 2, 3 free things I ordered. I did not order anything that was part of like this blanket where you get the first installment and then it's however. I think their blankets all run 10 sets of 10. So I didn't order anything like that. But I did order these other things. I really, really like the knit of the month. Yeah, that's basic. That is basic craft cotton. That is no different than, the sugar and cream, that kind of stuff. I love this yarn. I am totally going into her website and checking that out. Will I continue any of these? Probably not. Honestly, probably not. I find Annie's kits are a little high priced. And honestly, I'm cutting back on my kits. I'm going to finish this one up, obviously, because I think I've got one more. I'm going to finish up the knit striped Afghan, but I've only got 3 or 4 of those, so I have quite a few more. And I actually put it on hold for a few months because I'm so far behind on it. And so I'll pick those up when I get caught up with my knitting on that blanket. Then I will pick that kit up and have them start sending them probably monthly again. So that's it for the free kits from Annie's. Let's see what we got in the free kits from Mary Maxim. Actually, I've just changed my mind. I'm going to do a separate video. So this was, I'm going to do a separate video because I've got a lot of them here. I'm going to do a separate video for the Mary Maxim stuff. And so we're just going to do this. Free from Annie's. Free beautiful stuff from Annie's. Okay. So we'll see you in a bit. We'll see what we got from Mary Maxim.